Morning guys, April 24th, 2018. So here I gotta go change an outside shower. I was there yesterday and tried to change the seats, and the spindle on it was still leaking, so must have went through a freeze last year. So I'm gonna go over there and take the old one out and solder it and put a new one on there. Vinyl siding there, so I'm gonna have to put wood against it so I don't melt the siding. I'll try to get you some shots when I'm there. It's all taken apart because I was there yesterday and I couldn't fix it. So. Going back with a Simmons, just a straight shower valve, no stops. Put a piece of wood here so I wouldn't melt this siding. That's all siding. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna pop this off. I'll probably just pop these. I'll just probably pop these two off, and then take this right out of here and put the new valve right in. It's the same type of valve. And try to get you some shots. The water's off in the house. It's got bleeders here. I'm gonna probably loosen them up, let it drain out of there. I was here yesterday trying to fix it, but unsuccessfully. I did put extra Teflon in there because that gasket was bad. It is off in the house. She's a leaker, Mama. She's a leaker. I did try a new seat kit in there and a brand new spindle, and must have a crack in between the chambers or something because it keeps dripping. So I took all my parts out. Obviously, I'm gonna leave new parts in there if I'm changing the valve. So leave these used parts for someone else that might need one. Pop these two off and then pop that off. The guy put this here so I don't burn his house down. I mean, it's all vinyl siding. Let's see if we can get it off there. Don't forget it's screwed in up top, so it should come right off. Easy peasy. Guy's tighter than 2 coats of paint, Molly. Tighter than 2 coats of paint, Molly. Alright, we'll just put a little flux on there and solder it up. See what happens. Put a new valve in there. I use a lead-free flux on this stuff. All the stuff that's supposed to be better for lead-free. Might have to hit this joint again to seem like it pulled out a little bit, but shouldn't be that big of a deal. Don't forget now, I got it off the wall because I don't want to burn anything, you know. Once it's all soldered up, we can push it back and refasten it in there, put some new screws in it. This is already open, so I don't have to worry about that. Directly underneath, because the solder can go underneath, right inside the torch, you know what I'm saying? So you're going to kind of put it on a bit of an angle. Snot come off the bottom of that thing, you know? Nice good snot come off the bottom, that's what you want to see. When I'm done, I'll wipe it off. Wipe off the flux. That'll turn green if you don't wipe that flux off. Wipe off the flux. That's what turns green, is that flux. So that should be good. We'll have to turn it on and see if it leaks, so we'll, should be fine. Should be. Should be fine, just fine, y'all. True test, turn on the water. Look at the true test. I said I had to put some Teflon. That rubber was gone inside there, so I just put Teflon, stacked some Teflon in there, made a gasket out of it. That's fine. No leaks. She's not a leaker. Go, just put the trim on, we'll be done with it. This one's a little bit different. I told him to give me a basic one. Well, I'm going to put this back. I'll put these nuts in the back. It'll help the plate sit straight if I put these nuts in between the back there like that. See these brass nuts? It'll help the plate sit better in there. And, just a couple of brass nuts. They'll make it sit flush, be like, you know, square. Might as well put the new shower head on too, I mean. Might as well put the new head on it. I mean, it comes with it, so why not? You always want to put that stuff on clockwise, just like the clock turns. Alright, I get no drips, so that's good. Got the cage back on it. Maybe that's the way they're coming now. The basic Simmons. I'm not a big fan of that handle. That must be the way they're coming now.